Right guys, I've got a nice little review today for you. Just gonna lower this down a bit so you can see. And yeah, so let's get on to it. I've made a nice little purchase of a smart padlock. So let's take a look, shall we? Let's do an unboxing. I've had a quick look. So I have set it all up. So that is the padlock itself, which has got quite nicely built actually. Shackle is a little bit thin for my liking, so that could quite easily be ripped off, but yeah, that's that. So what else does it come with? Comes also with 2 cards that you can lock it with, 2 keys as well, and you can also unlock it via an app. Now I've already set the combination pin. I will be changing it again afterwards when I can find out how to do it. So let's get the app up. Right, so it's a smart lock. Okay, now for safety I'm going to remove my name, but that's the app itself. Okay, because I don't want people seeing my name. Well, my username anyway. And I was going to power this thing on just by touching it. So it's active. And now my phone is connected. And as soon as I press the button, bam, pop open. Nice and easy. Comes with a couple of keys. I was going to rip this bit off, and I've actually bitten part of that off because it came off when I was doing it. So you can also unlock it via a key, which is nice to have. Also, turn it back on again, you can input the combination on it. And it opens, which is nice. Now, these cards, I haven't even tried yet. I just thought I'd wait until it got here. Okay, I don't need both cards to demonstrate, but push it back on. That hasn't worked. It hasn't. Wait there, click to connect. That's connected. It should work. Hang on, haven't I? Oh, wait there, card manager. I don't think. I think I need to actually pair these cards. So just 2 seconds, I won't be long.
Please keep the card close to the lock to complete the registration.
Oh, posh bugger.
Registration success.
Right, so that one's been paired. That was actually pretty straightforward. And while I'm at it, I may as well.
Please keep the card close to the lock to complete the registration. Registration success.
Right, so now I've got them paired. So, like I say, you can either put your pin in and it opens. You can use the key and it opens. You can use your phone and it opens, which is nice. And you can also, now this should work. It's powered off. There you go. And you should be able to just tap your card and it opens. There you go. So, and also then it goes back to dormant state. So obviously you just press it, comes on, just says card, tap your card, and pow, open. Now, pros and cons. Now, I mean, I like it. You know, it's I do really like it. It's a nice little padlock. I don't know what type of key this is, but it's a weird shaped key. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a very weird shaped key. But it opens, and that's all I care about. So yeah, that's the smart padlock. The only downfall is the shackle for me is a bit thin. But yeah, I mean, if you're looking for a different way to get into it, get a different padlock, then is it worth the money? Well, I got it while it was on sale. Right, so yeah, I like it anyway. So let's quick it. So if you get the pin code, you got the card. If you forgot your card, you got your phone. If you forgot your phone, you got the keys. And if you forgot your keys, well, you're screwed. So yeah, it's a nice little one. So quick demonstration. Bam, phone unlock. Put it back to how it was. Turn it on. Put the combination in. And it opens nicely. Turn it back on. Swipe your card. And it opens. And last but not least, the key. I'm going to pull that off. Put the key in. And turn. So, yeah. So, build quality, I do like. Like I said, the only bit I don't like is the shackle. What did I use it for? Well, average, every day-to-day things. I wouldn't use it for anything like high security or anything like that. But yeah, so that's the Anweller Smart Padlock, and I quite enjoy it. I mean, the shackle's a bit thing, but you could quite easily probably get into this if you wanted to. But yeah, it's quite a nice padlock, that. I like it. Anyway, moving on to the other padlock that also came today. I'm just going to get this out of the way. Is a Smith's steel padlock, hardened steel shackle, I think, without looking. Again, nice bit of weight to it. I wouldn't know how to pick these yet because I haven't done it. But it's quite a nice look to it. I like the look of it. Opens nice and smooth. Now, one thing I do like is this key won't come out while the shackle is open. You know, you can pull that as hard as you want. You know, so it won't come out, and it literally just drops in place for you just to turn. You know, can't turn it, can't pull it until it gets locked in place. Got no idea how I'm gonna manage to pick this thing, but that's, and if you can see it, it's not a dimple key. I don't think it's a dimple key. From what it looks like, you're moving something on the inside sideways. I don't know if it's a disc deterrent or what. But it's a weird shaped key. Again, I am in poor lighting, so if I hunt there, if you can see it. But yeah, not too bad. Quite sturdy, quite a bit of weight to it. Again, the only thing letting it down, for me anyway, is the thickness of the shackle. But it's good enough for every day-to-day use. Yeah. You're going to get your keys lost in the hurry. What I would like to do, once I get the tools to unlock it, is try and bypass it and do what quite a few people do. You don't try to pick it, but yeah, I don't think I've got the tools for that yet. So I'm going to put that key in there so I don't lose all the keys, because I like to have some keys around my padlock, just so you know. You never know when you might need some. And Dizzy picks mate. I'm gonna tag him in the video because I've got a new padlock and it's doing my head in. So I've got it as a challenge. I think it's actually worse than the Ava 7240. But can you remember when I did an unlock on this master lock? You thought that was pretty big and beefy. There's big and beefy number 2. This is my newest one. This is the IFAM M50. I'll be having a pick at this later on today, but 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's a 5-pin lock. Nice and good build, comfy to hold, which is what I like about it. And yeah, it's pretty beefy. So, but obviously beefy doesn't always mean it's the best. So yeah, IFAM M50 Dizzy, if you want to have a go at one. It's a completely different ball game to the Master Lock. I have had a little pick around on the inside of it, and I'm pretty sure this has got spools in it. But unfortunately, it's not a guttable lock, so I won't know. But it definitely feels like it's got spools in. So that's that. And in other news, in about a week or so, okay, my Covert Companion Pro, you heard that right. Covert Companion Pro will be coming. So we'll be opening some locks. I can't wait to try it out. I honestly cannot wait to try it out. Especially some of the bypass tools that it's got. And I will definitely be giving that a go. There's no ifs, no buts. I will be giving that a go. So anyway, that's all I've got for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.